Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Peaceful Moments stamp set as well as one of the masks from the basic pattern decorative masks. You can still get this pack, and I'm going to show you a couple of the masks that come in this particular packet. And also the one in the catalog is called Pattern Party, and it does the diamonds and the brick and the clouds and a medallion mask as well. So, and they're really, really inexpensive, you know, like $8 maybe, Canadian. Okay, so I have the mask. I'm taping some Whisper White paper to the back side of it, and I'm taping it to a non-porous surface. So this is a board that I have like a craft mat glued to, and it's just, I can put it on my work surface, and it helps to keep the mess at a minimum. So this is Poppy Parade. And I am softly scrubbing my toothbrush handled makeup brush that I got from Amazon on this particular mask. And I'm just softly doing it. And I have found that these toothbrush handled makeup brushes, not the sponges, but the makeup brushes, work really, really well with masks especially. I don't like using them for sponging or where a brayer would be needed. They're too small, I feel, but man, they give a really sharp image to those backgrounds. And that's what I'm concentrating on today for this card, is just a really cool background. So I have Poppy Parade and Rich Razzleberry. Who would have thunk those two colors go well together? And they do. I got the color inspiration from the backside of the designer series paper, the Peaceful Poppies. And that's the paper I'm going to be using today as well. So I'm just finishing up here, sponging on with my toothbrush handled makeup brush, removing the mask, and look at that pattern. So nice. And the colors, who would have thunk that those two colors went together? I put some dry adhesive on the back side of that and put it on a Whisper White card. And now I'm going to cut out these lovely poppies. So I'm going to fussy cut. And because this one has kind of like a flat edge to it, that I'm sort of limited to where I can put this dude. So, or this little flower, I should say. So I cut it in half to stretch my designer series paper, and I put dimensionals on it. Now I'm coming in with the thank you. I stamped in Rich Razzleberry, bring in my craft board in and flicking my Stampin' Right marker over top of it. That was a Flirty Flamingo Stampin' Right marker. And I just sort of, I don't know, like neutralize the white of the sentiment strip. Sometimes you got to do that because it was just too white. And I wasn't digging it, wasn't feeling it. So I put dry adhesive and dimensionals behind the sentiment strip and made sure that it was all properly leveled. And I adhered this poppy right over top. So we've got like a real trio of colors there around that sentiment. So I have just cut off the excess, folded with my bone folder, and I'm coming in with my Pretty Peacock rhinestones. And I'm using the pink one, which is really close to that Flirty Flamingo color. And that is my share for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.